Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. I'm decorating my A5 Prima planner and my Annie Plans printables, and I'm using this kit by Fab Planner Print, and I have got a discount code for you. It's 10 Sarah if you want to get 10% over in the shop. I'll leave links below and my code below as well. So first off, I am adding the header washi. I'm putting one at the top of the page, one at the bottom. I'm also using it to help secure down my pages so they don't slide around my desk. I've grabbed some gold pineapple washi from my stash of crafty stuff and added some of that as well. I'm using these ombre boxes from the kit as well, and I'm just adding these functionals. One's a meal planner and one's cleaning. And I decide to nudge them up, and then I add just this pretty little deco sticker there as well. Again, I lift up my stickers there just to add some of the thinner washi strips from the kit as well down there. And I also add some washi from my stash with the circles on. I've added this time I've added my days of the week down this one side, and I'm also adding my trackers on the opposite side. I wanted to try out just putting the week on one page and then just putting my general cleaning, my partner's, his work hours, etc. down one side, and then my social media stuff like what things I want to do for YouTube and what things I need to get done, etc. on the other page. So I've basically just got a box for each day of the most important thing I need to remember for the day, and then I've just added extra flags for the days where I know there's something in particular that has to be done. And then on this other side I'm using the ombre boxes and the glitter checklist that I've put down the middle there. That's just for me to add my filming, uploading, Instagram, different things like that, so I can check that I've got everything done. Just adding a bit more washi from my stash down the other side just to fill in that little gap there. And I used the scripty stickers as well for that relax and clean one and payday. I've added the cute little chibi girls as well. I've added the work one as well as the save one, which is more for a no spend, but it still works well for that. And then I'm just adding some glitter washi just down the spine kind of parts of my the ring parts of my pages there. Just adding these film, upload, Instagram, etc. stickers here as well. And to finish off, I'm adding lots of the deco stickers that came in the kit, as well as the extra deco sheet. I think I might have used a couple of that as well, with all these cute tropical creatures. It's super summery, loving it. And that is me about done. I just trim off all the edges of the washi and then punch the holes through my pages and pop it back in my planner. So that is it, and this is what I have left over, so plenty for another couple of spreads there. And that's me done. Here's some close-ups at the end, and please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.